Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Netflix tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete a profile on Netflix. This is actually quite simple. First I open Netflix and find myself in the profile selection. Here I click on Manage Profiles and now I have to select the profile I want to delete. In this case it should be obvious which I want to delete. Down here I find the option Delete Profile. If I click on it, I get the hint that some data will be deleted and cannot be restored. This is okay for me since I want to delete this profile, so I click on Delete Profile and the profile is removed. Pretty simple, but a lot of people are searching for this. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!